Hello guys, this is Sunita. Welcome to your class. So today we are continuing our class. So let us start. Class 11 English Snapshot Chapter 1 Part 4. Every family has a crazy streak, means a quality which can be identified. Okay, so every family has a noticeable quality. So crazy streak, okay, noticeable quality in it somewhere. And my cousin Murad was considered the natural descendant means inheritant. Okay, that uttradhikari, natural inherited of the crazy streak in our tribe. तो जैसे हर फैमिली की एक नोटिसेबल क्वालिटी होती है, सो इन द सेम वे आवर फैमिली was also having was had a very special quality, very crazy noticeable quality, and that was noticed in Murad. Before him was our uncle Khusraw, and before Murad, who is known for this crazy streak, Uncle Khusraw is known for this. An enormous man, he is a huge man, okay, with a powerful head of black hair. Powerful head means he is a very tough guy, okay, of black hair. His hair are black, and the largest moustache, and his moustaches are large, means badi badi मूछे वाले. And in the San Joaquin Valley, San Joaquin Valley is one of the long interior valleys of California. A man so furious in temper, he is very angry, almost times that he becomes very angry, so irritable, he becomes very annoyed, मतलब नाराज जल्दी हो जाते हैं. So impatient, he has no patience, okay, धीरज कम है उनके अंदर, जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता है उनको. That he stopped anyone from talking by roaring, that he make somebody stop, that if somebody is talking, somebody is telling something, just make him stop in between, and not by a normal pitch, he roars, means बहुत ज़ोर से बोलते हैं. That it's no harm, it is his favorite dialogue. Pay no attention to it, okay, whatever is going on, that doesn't matter for him. He just say that it is no harm, just pay no attention to it. That was all, and this was all, no matter what anybody happened to be talking about. इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता that what another person is talking about, what was the matter, whether it is serious or not serious, it doesn't matter for him. Once it was his own son Arak running 8 blocks to the barber's shop, okay, where his father was having his mustache trimmed, to tell him their house was on the fire. Once what happened that Mr. Khusraw, this uncle Khusraw, he was in the barber shop, and he was getting his mustache trimmed, मतलब अपनी मूछें ठीक करा रहे थे बार्बर की शॉप पे. and his son Arak, okay, he went running, भाग के गया वो, एंड ही टोल्ड हिम दैट देयर हाउस वॉज ऑन द फायर, क्योंकि घर में आग लग गई है. दिस मैन खुसराव सेट अप इन द चेयर एंड रोड, ओके, he was getting his mustache trimmed, he set up properly, and then roared, means जोर से चिल्लाया, it does no harm, pay no attention to it. The barber said, but the boy says your house is on fire. And then barber also again insists on the thing that the boy is saying your house is on the fire, means तुम्हारे घर में आग लगी है. So Khusrau roared, enough, it is no harm, I say. And this is the thing that means, just think about it, his house was on the fire, but still he was feeling so easy, okay. So that was, so my cousin Murad was considered the natural descendant, and my cousin Murad is understood the natural descendant of Uncle Khusrau, of this man. Although Murad's father, although he is not the biological father of Murad, okay, Uncle Khusrau is not the biological father of Murad. His father, biological father, is Zarau, okay, who was a practical and nothing else, who is a practical man, who was a practical man, and he had no crazy streak like this. That's how it was in our tribe, and in this way, this is the trend in our tribe. A man could be the father of his son's flesh, okay, anybody can be the father of his son's, biological father can be, okay. If your father is your father, means he is a biological father of you, but he cannot be the father of your spirit, but that did not mean that he was also the father of his spirit. Means spiritual father cannot be considered if he is your biological father. Biological father and spiritual father, the both are two different things. The distribution of the various kinds of spirits of our tribe had been from the beginning capricious and vagrant. Capricious means not logical, and vagrant means wanderer, a kind of wanderer. So this is kind of distribution of spirits, okay, in our tribe, that you can't say that the who will be the father of your spirit, or who else can be have the same spirit as you have. Means the qualities can be. We rode and my cousin Murad sang. Okay, now we continued our riding, and my of course my cousin, he was singing. For all anybody knew, we were still in the old country. Okay, we were in this old country, means the old country in the sense that I just explained you, vineyards and orchards and all. Okay, so a little bit we were away from the house, but still we were in the area which belonged to us, at least according to us, at least according to some of the neighbors we belonged. Okay, according to the neighbors we belonged, means the area was a familiar one. We let the horse run as long as it felt like running. We did not pressurize the horse how to run. Okay, it was running as it liked. At last my cousin Murad said, get down, that नीचे उतर जाओ, I want to ride alone, I want to ride the horse alone. Will you let me ride alone, I asked. And then I also asked that now you are riding alone, so will you let me also ride alone? क्या तुम मुझे भी अकेले राइड करने दोगे? That is up to the horse. Okay, my cousin said, get down, that it depends on the horse. He said that it is up to the horse, कि जैसा horse चाहेगा, अगर horse चाहेगा तो तुम राइड कर लेना, I don't have any problem. Now get down means नीचे उतर जाओ. The horse will let me ride, I said. And then I said, of course the horse should not have any problem. We shall see, then we'll see. He said, don't forget that I have a way with the horse. Okay, means since last few days I'm having the horse, and the horse knows me. That's why I have a way with the horse, means a kind of friendship with the horse. Okay, so don't forget it. Well, I said, anyway, you have with the horse, I have also. No problem. You have a friendship with the horse. I have also a friendship, because I'm your friend and you are the friend of horse. So I'm also a friend of horse. For the sake of your safety, he said. And he said that, see, for the sake of your safety, कि अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए, let us hope so, कि ऐसा ही सोचते हैं कि hope so, कि ये भी तुम्हारा friend ही हो. Get down, नीचे उतर जाओ. All right, I said, but remember, you've got to let me try ride alone. But remember, okay, you are to let me ride alone, कि तुम्हें मुझे भी अकेले ride करने देना है. So guys, we'll meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.